go ahead and do a quick walkthrough because the day is over on NQ on spot. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, the day is over. Market hours are over. So let's check out December 3rd. I log in and I see a huge rundown in the morning. Okay. And it looks like that's going to be a significant level. So let me go ahead and draw that out here for the day. That level right there. Okay, and I think we're headed up right now, is what I think. So I'm going to go ahead and I would say I would get in right here. I'm going to put my stop down here. And shoot, man, this thing probably going to go all the way up to here. Yeah, okay. Just hold on and ride and see what it goes. I would have to have my would I add on to my position? So I'm going to go ahead and put a stop. That's probably a little too close. Put my stop there. And then I'd say I'll get in right about here. And then I'm gonna shoot for about up here is where my target's gonna be. I might if I'm doing options, I'm gonna do probably 3 days out, maybe. All right, let's see what happens. Holding for the long term, aren't we? And yikes, it might be coming down still, huh? I'm going to move that stop down to here, actually. But if it comes down to this level, I'm adding to my position. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to move my stop down here, which is ridiculous. I mean, we're talking from here to here. Should have looked at the open, really. But from here to here, okay, 50 bucks. Yeah, on options, that is. Probably about $100. But we'll add to it if it keeps going up. Because what I like to do is see where the stops are stacking, because that tells you what direction they're going to push it. Right now it looks like they're going to push down. Yeah. Okay, now we're cooking. Yeah. I like it. 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 All the way up. Here we go. Dang, that was a big candle. Okay, so at this point, I'm definitely not giving it all back. That would just be absurd. So, shoot, I forgot what time we got in. Probably around here. Let's say we got in right here, because I don't remember, honestly. And my stop was here, and I moved it down to here. Now, at this point, I'm definitely not giving it all back. And it's definitely showing a little bit of pushback. So, I'm going to move my stop to break even or above. I don't want to use how much money I made to determine whether I should get in or out, because that could induce a fear factor. So let's go ahead and move this guy. Whoopsie. Let's go ahead and move this stop to I'll say, dang, I still think it's going to go up. I still think it's going to go up. But it might drop one more time. Because it's still early in the morning. Look at this. 10:33 Eastern time. Yeah, I think we'll just leave it for now. Just leave it for now. But that's pretty good, right? I mean, again, I don't know if that's when I got in, but we are already at a nice risk to reward. Yeah, we're already up maybe 70 bucks. Depending on what the strike price is for options. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I don't like the looks of this. I don't like the looks of this. Looks like it might be going wicking up to grab some stops before it goes down. I don't like that. I don't like that. Because that one's there. Then we got this one slightly higher. Then we got this one even slightly higher. Now they do that. They do that. A little bit higher. Now a little bit higher. Now a little bit higher. So my risk to reward was 1-to-1. We got a lot left in the day. You know, there's another time for another chance for another entry, to be honest. So, and I forgot to add to my position. Forgot to actually add to my position, but I think it's going the whole way up, but it looks like it's going to start to grab some stops, come down, and then go back up. I'm staying in. Let's see what happens. Yep, it did come down. And ooh, almost hit our take profit. There it goes. Yeah, I'd go ahead and get out at this point because it was close enough. So we'll say I got out there right here because I didn't say before that candle. And let's see if it provides another opportunity here. So from here, oops, wrong tool. And let's see, from here to here, we were in for 2 hours and 9 minutes. We made a little over $100 on one contract. So let me go ahead and write that. From here to here, I'm going to go ahead and write $100, and let's see if we enter any more trades today. I think those two levels are going to be pretty important. Okay, I'm guessing it's going to break it still. I don't think it's done, but that is quite the drop, isn't it? I mean, that's pretty weak. Like, usually for a big move, they're they stop loss hunt several times, and that barely touched it, and then came up, hunted these stop losses, but like nothing here, and yeah, so I don't think it's done. Yeah, it's not done. Okay, there we go. Could have gotten back in for a call, or going long. Okay, now we're above. Let's see if we hunt some more. One more time. Yeah. This looks pretty good. Okay, now are we going to take a put here? Or are we on a continuation trade? Now, I'm going to go ahead and put a stop up here. I'm going to do this. And I'm going to say that's my stop. I'm getting in, going short on this. Okay, because I like what I'm seeing. I like that they're going up, and then people are thinking, oh, it hit that level, it's going down. Nope, just kidding, got you again. Going down, nope, got you. Psych, got you again. That's 3 times. I like it. I like it. One more time. Ooh. Yeah, I like it. Oh, is it going to get me? Oh, did it get me? I think it got me. Ooh. That's pretty darn close. It's pretty darn close. Anyway, if it does get me, let's see what happens. One more hunt. One more hunt. You get me? Oh, I think it got me that time. Got me that time. Okay, so that one, I need to say that I lost from here to here about 43 bucks, something like that. 43 bucks from here to here, let's say. Negative 43 bucks on one contract. And I like what it's doing right now. I'm going to go ahead and get back in for a short. I should have waited the first time I got in, but I'm going to get back in. My stop's going to be up here. Actually, no. No, I'm not. I'm not getting back in just yet. Are we done hunting for stops? Ooh, I think so, man. I think we're done hunting for stops. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead, get back in, put my stop up here, and ride this baby down. There we go. So we'll say I got in there. This time I'll remember. I got in right here. Ooh, now is that going to provide support or resistance? They do that sometimes. They do that sometimes. And this move is about done, actually. So... oh, and the market's about to close. I need to be aware of that. I mean, goodness. If I'm not paying attention here, I'm about to get... I'm about to... yeah, have to close still holding the bag. Still holding the options. So I'm going to get out. Need to be paying attention here to this down here. But I like how they kept taking out stops here. Up, up again. Thinking it's going down. No, up again. And people just trying to time the reversal. But you look at where the stops are stacking, and you know which direction they're going to try to push it. So definitely getting out there. And we'll say I got in here down to this wick here. So 74, we'll say half of that. 37 bucks. 37 bucks on one contract there. Again, that would have been several days out for expiry date. So we got 94 bucks on the day if we did one contract each, 3 trades. Not bad, man. Not bad. Because we certainly scale up on that. But that's just one contract. You get the idea. Okay. And it looks like it's not done yet. But that's fine. I don't think it's done yet. But we'll see what happens in the after hours or extended hours. All right. So that's what I got for today. This could provide some strong support for tomorrow. We'll just have to see how that pans out. I don't think it's done passing this level. I think it's still going to collect some more stops down there. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. Because usually the market goes in cycles. And we got a cycle down here. And then we got a second leg right here. So it finished right at that line. But it looks like it's still collecting stops up here before it goes down. But I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see what happens tomorrow if it collects stops on the downside. But pretty good. Pretty good. And I'll see what happens tomorrow. If you want more videos like this or how to create a strategy, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll show you some other videos on how to do that.